principle of motion smear reduction. Here we're talking about reduction to frontal approaches to the blades. Figure 4 on the left shows 7 concentric virtual rings into which a drawing of rotor blades has been placed. Each ring has only one blade bar, and no two blades have a bar in the same location. A rotor blade assembly has been constructed and mounted on a variable speed motor. As the speed of the motor increases, human observers report that the individual bars at the more peripheral regions of the blade are no longer seen as individual bars. They are gradually replaced by a series of gray, concentric rings that pulsate slightly. The spaces between the rings, however, continue to show the transparency associated with motion smear. The effect is quite dramatic at high tip velocities. Blades on which the bars have been placed at the same location on all blades, or blades that are uniformly white or uniformly black, show the typical motion smear effect. Figure 5 on the right shows a second pattern. Each of the staggered segments has been collected onto a single blade, which results in a solid black blade. This pattern offers a practical advantage. Painting a turbine with this pattern would require the uniform painting of a single blade. Indeed, single blades could be made black in the manufacturing process, which would be even better. And what you gain with a single blade is the need to have precise application of paint is no longer a factor on the 3 blades. We'll show you a picture later of people doing roller painting of a blade. Though, as I said, pre-manufacturing the blades would be even better than sending people up the towers. This pattern and several other pattern types were tested for visibility in American kestrels using a method based on the physiology of the retina. I was uneasy when reading about how the kestrels were tested, but they were anesthetized, and so far as I was able to determine, they were not harmed in any way, nor were they discomfited because of the anesthesia. Just enough to allow them to be conscious but untroubled. The single black blade pattern is approximately twice as visible as the 3 blank blades.